and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do turn on the bell notification to be notified each time I upload a new video, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box as always. So by the title you must be knowing that it's a review slash swatches of these liquid lipsticks. Like literally these liquid lipsticks are so beautiful and so good. Like I am wearing the red at the moment just because I have just finished swatching them. So yeah, this liquid lipstick I bought from Kmart. Like literally they are from Kmart and they are so cheap. They are just $6 set and it comes with 3-piece set, a lip liner, a lip cream and also a lip gloss. So the lip liner is so creamy, the lip cream is literally so beautiful, and also the lip gloss. Like you can apply them separately or you can apply all at once. Like for $6 this stuff is just beautiful. I love it. And it is called Color and Define and you can only get here in Australia in Kmart. I think if I find out a link I will leave it in the description box below for you guys to check it out. So the available colors there I saw was purple, pink and red and cocoa. I think 4 colors was there at the time I bought this, but like I will definitely be getting the pink and purple, and like I will be going through all the Kmarts around my place. Like there are few around here, so I will be checking all the Kmarts if they have different colors too, but I will definitely be getting a nude one. Like a nude is definitely a must for me. Like in this collection if you get a nude it will be very beautiful, but like this one looks like nude but it's cocoa. It's little bit darker than you can see it here. So but like it's wearable, so you can wear in daytime too, this cocoa. But this red looks absolutely stunning. I love it. Like literally, why not just go and get it, grab it. Like you will love it. So it definitely goes on the teeth, and like you have to just take tissues and just do like this so that it won't go on the teeth. So it's nowhere here says that the lip cream is matte. This lip cream dries but it's not matte, like it's not pure matte, so it will transfer. And also this lip gloss is literally so beautiful, but you have to use a tissue to remove the excess after applying because like it will go on your teeth. So yeah, it depends only how much you apply. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin the swatches. Okay, I have got my lip balm here and also I got my wipes here. So let's begin with this first color. This is Color and Define and this is how it looks. This OXX Studio Color and Define lipstick. It's cream, contour and gloss, 3-piece set, and I am trying this for the first time today. I've got two to swatch for you guys. So let's see how it looks. So as it comes like this in this box, and literally its packaging is really very good, and you get 3 products: lip cream, lip liner and lip gloss. So like this is only $6 for 3-piece set, and I will apply the liner first. So first let's swatch here. Okay, this is very creamy and very pigmented. Oh gosh, it's so creamy. Wow, I love it. The color is so good. like this is one of my favorite kind of color. So now I will be applying the lip cream. It says its color is cocoa here, and the bottle looks like this. It's just a hard plastic bottle, I think, and it says here lip cream Kmart Australia Limited, and their address Kmart New Zealand. So this product is made on 30th of June 2019. Like, I don't know how much product is in this bottle, so let me check here. No, I don't know, but like it's not written here in this bottle, but like it's only $6, so like it's okay. The applicator looks like this. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. And let's first swatch here. Okay, this one is literally so beautiful. And now I'll apply here. Looks dark. I should definitely get a small mirror. All you need is just one coat of this lipstick and you are done for only $6. Like, literally, this is so beautiful. Kmart should definitely bring out more colors in this lipstick collection. Still not dried yet, so it will take a little bit of time to dry. Like, it's literally so cheap, $6 for 3 products. It will take a while to dry. Like, some of the high-end lipsticks literally take a while to dry, so this one is cheap and you should definitely wait, and you can wait for $6. It doesn't matter to me that it dries quickly or not, but like it will dry. But like, I will apply the gloss now, which looks like this, exactly same as the lipstick. This is lipstick, this is gloss. It looks exactly same. Both bottom size cocoa, and it says here lip gloss, and this is lip cream. It looks exactly the same. Both are same, so oh gosh, this is literally beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. You can just apply the lip gloss if you don't want to wear the lipstick. Okay, this is how the lip gloss looks. Just one coat of this lipstick and this lip gloss is enough. So this is how it looks. Okay, now I will just wipe this off and let's try the other one. Okay, now I will be trying this one, the color red, and this is exactly same as that one, but it's color red. So let me first apply the lip liner. Like, it's small, it says here OXX Studio, and lip liner here, and the color is red. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And it applies so quickly, like it's literally so creamy. It's beautiful. Okay, let me swatch here. Okay, this is the lip liner. It's literally so creamy, and if you don't want to wear any of the other lipsticks or lip gloss, you can just wear the lip liner. You just fill on all over your lips and you are done. Like literally, this is so beautiful. And it's so pigmented, so creamy. I love it. Now I will be applying the lip cream. It looks exactly same as the other one, and it says here below red color, and the applicator is exactly same. Wow. Oh my gosh, like literally for $6, this is so pretty. But this is literally same as on my lips. It's beautiful. So this is how it looks, the color. So now let me apply the lip gloss. Lip gloss looks exactly the same as the other one. It says here red, and the applicator is same too. Wow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you have Kmart around your place, you should definitely go try these lipsticks, and don't forget to check out the description box below in case I find out the link. I will be linking it below in the description box for you guys to check out. If you don't have Kmart around your home, then you can definitely buy online. So yeah, this is it for today. I will be bringing part 2 of this video for more swatches from this collection. I've got only 2 just because I wanted to try, and like these 2 are one of my favorite kind of colors, so that's why I just got this one. So like I should have got the pink and purple too, but like I will be getting those ones too. They are only $6 each. For $6 you will be getting 3-piece set, and they are literally beautiful. It's so easy to take it off. If you are applying the lip cream, it dries, but it's not pure matte, so make sure keep that in mind. It dries, but it's not pure matte, but like you have to wait a while for it to dry. But if you are applying the lip gloss on top, then it's okay, you can just apply after applying this one, the lip cream. So yeah, it takes a while to dry, and it also does transfer the lip cream. But yeah, this is it for today. So yeah, I will be making part 2 of this video with other colors, available colors in Kmart. I will find out if they have more colors, especially I'm so desperate to get a nude one. And like yeah, this is it, and do hit the subscribe button if you wish to see more from me, and also Do leave me a comment below. Do give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box, and as always, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.